Hello guys, so if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this free Telegram bot to earn 7.5 USDT for free. So this is how you go about it. You're going to click on the link that I put in the description, and then it's going to bring you to this page here. Now all you need to do is to press on start now. Now, once you've been brought to this window here, you can see there are a wide range of options here. So all you need to do is to go to the task center. Then you need to complete all these tasks that are labeled here. So for instance, you can check in every day. So that is how much I will be given for checking in. And then you can view task to get the reward. And then you need to submit a screenshot here. So once that is done, you head over to your lucky draw. Now in this lucky draw, every once in a while you are given a spin of the wheel. This does not happen every often, but you need to keep on checking to find whether you can be given a lucky draw. Now, once you've done, you need to press here on start mining. Once you've pressed on start mining, you will be required to check in after 24 hours. And then now for the next step is you need to press on the upgrade section. And as you can see here on mining tools, these are the mining tools that you can buy with USDT to increase your mining rate. For instance, for 12 USDT, you can get 0.14 tokens in a day, and this will significantly improve your tokens and improve your rate of earning income through this site. But alternatively, you can use this upgrade section here. And as you can see here, you can buy this level 1 miner, which you can buy for 1.434 token, and it can help you earn 0.03 a token per hour. So that is quite commendable. When you head over to team, you can share the app with friends. Again, the more you refer your friends, the more your token will improve significantly. So you need to keep on doing this task every now and then. Now, once you've completed the doing this and you've reached a level whereby you want to withdraw the cash, you're going to head over to this section that says me, and then you're going to press on Trump USDT, and then you're going to select on the amount of token that you'd like to convert to USDT. Again, these tokens you've been earning through this platform here. So you're going to select the amount of tokens that you'd like to convert to USDT, and then all you need to do is confirm. Once you've confirmed, you're going to head over to this section that says withdraw. When you head over to this withdraw, all you need to do is to put your address here. This basically includes your wallet address, and then you're going to select the amount of money that you'd like to withdraw here, and then you're going to select a security password here, and then all you need to do is to confirm and watch as your money enters your wallet. So that is basically what you need to learn about this app. And don't forget that you need to refer as many people as you can in order for you to increase your token, and this will drastically improve the rate at which you tokens to convert to USDT to mine on this program. So that is it. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing.